agree with and agree to. Agree with. We agree with a person if we have the same opinion as that person. If someone says, I think it's important to preserve the environment, and you share that opinion, you can say, I agree with you. My teacher says reading is very important, and I agree with her. We can also agree with or disagree with a statement, a decision, an article, an opinion, an idea, or another form of communication or position. My parents support that politician because they agree with his stance on the economy. Agree to. We agree to do an action. So agree to is followed by a verb. And this means you promise to do the action. We all agree to meet up at 8. We can also agree to the terms of a contract. This means we consent to it, we accept it. Hey, I never agreed to this price increase. I hope that helps. Thank you.
Neethus Academy, India's #1 language academy.